Ever felt like dating someone way out of your league and somehow managing to charm them with just a wink? That's a lot like using leverage in commercial real estate. You're playing in the big leagues with a little bit of charm and a lot less cash in hand. Today, we're diving in deep into what leverage really means in the context of commercial real estate. And trust me, it's as thrilling as getting a yes after sliding into those DMs. Leverage in commercial real estate essentially involves using borrowed capital to amplify the potential return of an investment. Now imagine showing up on a date in a luxury car you rented. You're enhancing your appeal with something that isn't initially yours. Similarly, by using less of your own money and more from a lender for an investment, you can control a much larger asset than you could have otherwise afforded. This can significantly enhance your investment portfolio. Now, why should you learn about this? Because mastering leverage can be the difference between an average and a spectacular investment portfolio. It's not just about entering the game, it's about dominating it. Leveraged investments allow for significant returns, but they come with their own set of challenges and risks, which, if understood and managed well, can repeatedly lead to successful outcomes. Now, how can you implement this in your own investment strategy? Let's say you're considering purchasing commercial property. By securing a mortgage, you put down a fraction of the property's total cost while the bank covers the remainder. You own the property and reap all the benefits of its use and appreciation in value, all while having invested only a portion of the total cost. Curious about how this impacts your taxes? Or what happens when the market conditions change? Good. Because understanding the strategic use of leverage is crucial, and we will delve into that in our next session. If the idea of leveraging your way into commercial real estate excites you as much as a perfect date night, you will definitely want to stick around for more. Here's a rhetorical question to ponder. Why wouldn't savvy investors want to maximize their potential with minimal initial investments? I would love to hear your thoughts or experiences with leveraging in real estate. Drop a comment below. For everyone tuning in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. If you have any questions or need in-depth discussion, reach out to us personally. I'm Amit Grover, and you're watching ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay